What is up, guys? Today we're playing Minecraft, and today we're playing it different. And we got Minecraft lava thing. You know the Minecraft movie, Lava Chicken. Yeah. So we are gonna play Minecraft. Let's start game. Okay. On which map would you like to play? Mushroom Hills. Let's do this one. Oh. What? One. Go. Why am I? Oh shoot. Lava is okay. Ah! Oh my gosh. How? No. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh no. Oh shoot. Ah! Resetting the game. What's going on? I just lose. Now what's this? Okay, what? Who are you, parrot? Oh yeah, it's the parrot that told me something. Use firework. Let's see it. Oh, that's perfect. That's epic. What's this? Settings. City. Lava speed. Normal. Of course, because it's my first. Oh, let's train here. Okay. Parkour your to the top, but watch out, lava rise behind you. Oh, is that lava? Whoa, whoa! Oh my gosh. I'm bad at parkour. It's my first time doing parkour. I only do survival man. I'm a survival man, dude. I used to play survival. I do not be good at parkour. Oh my gosh, I almost fall. Ah! Oh my gosh, jump. There's a torch there. Okay, go. No, oh. Okay. Watch out for traps. You only have 3 hearts. Okay, 3 hearts. Okay, how I? Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, I made it. Oh, I made it. Okay. Oh my gosh, Oh, what the? Telling me I have to jump over here, then here. Oh shoot, this is so high up. I'm so high up. I think I'm just gonna take fall damage there. Oh my gosh. Oh! Okay. FNAF jump scare! Oh, I made it. Oh, that, finish. I'm almost finished there. What the? Oh, wait. What the what? Okay. Slime block, check. Oh! Oh, no. You gotta kidding me. But, okay, I think that's enough of training. What's going on over there? Why is that bird dancing? Is this a disco party? What? Crimson? What's happening? Wait, bye. What? Oh my gosh. Let's dance. Is this a lava game or what? Well, we can dance here, dude. Oh my gosh. Okay. Guys, I want to make sure to like and subscribe here. You are really spicy. Okay. But let's go parkour. I'm so bad at parkour. Okay. Okay. Charge! Yeet! Oh no! But let's go. Start game. Power station. I want mushroom hills. What in the barnacles is going on? Barnacles. Oh, shit. Where I go? There? No. Shoot. No, shoot. Just die. Okay. Resetting game. Are you kidding me? Let's make the lava go slow. Lava speed. Slow. Okay. Lava speed. Slow. Start game. Power station. Okay. What am I supposed to do? Power station. Oh shoot. Let me jump, bro. Where am I supposed to go? Mamma mia. Oh shoot. Okay. Shit. Oh shoot! No, Mamma mia, Latos. Oh fuck! Oh my god, I just got FNAF jump scare there. I just died. I suck at this game. I'm bad at parkour, man. I'm only good at playing Survivor. Oh, let's go. Yeah. Okay. Let's do something different here. Get off. Wait, I'm just gonna test. Can we do creative mode here? Creative mode. Can we do creative mode? Let's do it. I can't do creative mode. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Well, I already said that, but see you in the next video. Bye.